今仔即阵北半球是寒天，伫北欧的波罗的海就当地流行一款破冰船的体验旅游行程，游客会当徛伫船头来看破冰开路的过程，嘛有机会会当伫零下20外度的环境，伫冰水内底受水。
规身躯包红红，一群人客伫甲邦欣赏冰上风光。伫北欧波罗的海上北方，当年有一段时间是冰天雪地，正做极地探险的热门地点。像一日破冰船体验，就吸引真侪观光客。为瑞典启程一路航向芬兰，名叫做极地探险家的破冰船，原本是工业用破冰船，内部进行改装了后，增加真侪设备，搁由海华巡防队出身的船长法兰克将导，载游客伫零下20外度的气温之下，探索雪地世界。
Yeah, it's a big responsibility, and but that's a part of the game here. That's why we are doing this. It's to take out people and show them how we make ice roads.
也毋过，只敢若伫甲邦看风景也无够，想要挑战天寒地冻的滋味，游客也可会当落水游泳。
Even people are not considering in the beginning. They think, no, that's not for me. It's too scary, too dangerous, too cold. When they see, they understand that it's not scary at all. And everyone, you don't have to have swimming skills. You cannot drown in these suits. And they're very warm.
一个两个漂伫水面上，游客穿特殊的救生衫，确保伫冰冷的海水，同款会当更加欢喜佮安全。
I loved it. It was everything I hoped it would be in a river.
这座破冰船探险专程有3点钟，计售285块欧元，大约1万台票。看好后疫情旅游事件，破冰船公司有计这个寒天会当吸引至少1.5万名游客。公司新闻纽版编译。